So this is a brand new plug out of the box. You guys can see, I don't know if you can see it clearly, see the crush washer around that spark plug. See how it's got a nice round shape to it? The plug I just pulled out of this bike looks exactly the same. So what's going on is the person that installed this plug didn't squish it down tight enough. They didn't torque the spark plug down. And what's going on is this bike won't really fire on the rear cylinder where the spark plug was installed. So we're gonna pull the front one, check it out, but basically it's a real common thing. You know, you start putting a spark plug in ahead and you just don't want to over tighten and strip something out, so you end up just not tightening it down enough at all. And then you lose compression and things just don't work right. So now we're gonna come check this front spark plug and see how tight it is. See that? Wasn't even tight. It's a common thing. You put some plugs in, you don't want to strip anything out. You don't really tighten it down. That's what happens. See that spark plug? See that crush washer on there? Not even squished down. It's a little tip here. So we just got some 3/8 hose here, spark plug. It's in a recessed pocket in there. Can't get to it with my fingers, so I'm gonna take the spark plug, put it in that rubber like that, and without cross-threading it, get it started. And go ahead and tighten it down the rest of the way. So I went ahead and reinstalled the spark plug and torqued it down. Now you can see what the crush washer is supposed to look like after you torque it down. So it's flat. Here's the one out of the front cylinder. And that one wasn't tight either. You can see where there's a clear difference there. Yep. So, all right, there we go. See it?
Mr. Savage, what's going on?
Okay, so rear cylinder's not really firing. Not until you really open it up and give her some R's.
Wait a minute, I thought you had to sink it.
No, this thing is in need of more than just a sink. So what we're doing here is replace the spark plugs were installed incorrectly.
What do you mean incorrectly? Were they upside down or what?
No, they just weren't torqued down at all. They were just hand tight.
Oh.
But if you come in here and you take a look.
Move your big fat head. Let me see.
Can you see in there? You see where there's a intake boot back there?
Oh.
See that intake boot back there?
Hey.
That big old crack right there? Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
That's a big old intake.
That's some
boot
cakes
right
by the ocean there.
So she ain't running right, and the seeker ain't going to fix it. So she needs a new set of intake boots, and kind of go from there.
Okay, Mad Mike out.